Okay, I'm going to test out that Sephora double-sided brush. Hold on, let me show it to you. Oh God, no, I can't even see it. There it is. Okay, I just applied my cream blush onto my cheeks. I'm going to test out the new Sephora brush here that I picked up during the Sephora sale. If you saw my recent Sephora Try to Get Ready With Me, Sephora haul Try to Get Ready With Me new makeup try on video, I showed you this in there, but I didn't use this in there because it was still drying. So today I've already got my cream blush on, and I'm going to go ahead and use this angled side, and let's just see how it blends out. Ooh, that's nice. It's a little bit not soft. It's a little pokey for that part of the cheek. So maybe I would like this. Yeah, I think, ooh, no, I don't like this brush. It's very, very pokey. I mean, it does work. It blends out the product really nicely, but it's not soft on my skin. Maybe I could do it as a bronze, like a cream bronzer brush instead. So let me try that. I'm going to get my creams, Nude Sticks bronzer here in the shade, Maple A or something like that. And I'm going to just add a little bit of bronzer here. I like this shade here because it's kind of red toned, and that's more of like the shade that I get when I get some sun. And yeah, so it is a little dark, and I got to be a little careful when I use it, but I do like the undertone of it. I'm going to go ahead and use the same brush. I don't think I'm going to use this side. I'm going to save this side here for my cream highlight. I'm going to now just blend out the bronzer. I do like the way that it blends out product, but it's not soft. It's actually really scratchy. Like, it's so scratchy that I might even take it back. I do not like this brush at all. I'm not going to be using it. This is not good. This is scratchy. Oh, this makes me so sad because the brush is cute. Yeah, this brush is not going to work for me. It's even scratchy on my forehead, and my forehead is like the least sensitive part of my face. So I don't think this brush is going to be a winner in my collection. I'm sorry to say. Thankfully, I did pick it up on clearance, but even on clearance, if you end up not liking a product and you're not going to use it, even on clearance, it's a waste of money, you know? So yeah, sadly, this is one of the Sephora brushes that I do not like. There is one other brush that I've purchased so far out of the two Sephora, or 2 or 3 or 4 now, Sephora brush kits that I've purchased. There's one blush brush that I'm not really a fan of that came in the very first kit that I bought. And I did mention that in the video that I reviewed that in. But now this is the second one. All the others have been hits. I don't think I'm going to use this on my nose. I'm going to use my nose contour brush if I can find it in here. I know that I washed it. Hold on. There it is. I'm going to use my nose contour brush just to kind of blend this up a little bit. This bronzer may have been a bit dark for me to be putting it in the middle of my face like this. But let's see if I can make it work. Okay. I feel like that went a long way to shape my nose. And I'm not so sure that it looks bad in person either, so, okay. And I just take the remnants of my little concealer bit here down the middle of my nose, just to kind of carve out the line a little bit better. Okay, I do think that looks pretty good. Did I get all the bronzer blended in? Yeah, okay. So my thoughts on that Sephora brush are, So my final first impression thoughts on this Sephora brush are, I don't like this side. It's pretty scratchy. Like, okay, wait. So far, I don't like this side. It's pretty scratchy. Now I'm going to test it out with highlighter, cream highlighter. It might even work nicely for powder highlighter. And instead of just rubbing this directly onto my cheek, I'm going to just take some on the tip of the brush. I'm not sure if it's picking up. I mean, it probably is, but this side is a little bit softer. It does have a little bit of pokiness, but not as bad as the other one. I haven't decided now how I feel about this brush. I do like this other end, and it is really cute. Maybe I could use this side for like contour. I don't know. I think I'm going to probably end up returning this brush. It works nicely for the highlight side, but this side, probably because the ends are just all at an angle, it's just the whole surface area of this brush is just too pokey on my skin. And I don't like that feeling. So sadly, the Sephora cheek brush is going to have to go back. Yeah, I'll be returning this Sephora cheek brush today. So yeah, that's my first impressions thoughts on the Sephora cheek brush that I picked up during my Sephora sale haul. Let me know if you picked up this brush and what your thoughts are. Keep in mind, we all have different levels of sensitivity for our skin, just depending on like whatever health conditions we might experience or might be experiencing, or like our age, or just whatever. There's all kinds of factors that play into skin sensitivity. And sometimes my skin is more sensitive than others, like times in my life, you know? Anyhow, that's going to do it for my first impressions thought on the Sephora brush. I'm a little sad and disappointed that it didn't work out for me, but at least now I know. And I just wanted to share my opinions with you in case you were curious about this brush and you were wanting to see how other people's experience with it goes before you buy it, or, you know, whatever. But you might like the brush. It might not be too pokey for you, but it's too pokey for me. So yeah, it'll be going back. Anyway, thanks so much for hanging out with me for this really quick, short Sephora double-ended brush review, first impressions review. I hope you have a great rest of your day. If you aren't already, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It is absolutely free to subscribe to me, and I would love to have you join my little makeup loving community here. And yeah, if you enjoyed today's video or you love makeup brushes like I do, make sure you give my video a like. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Hope to see you in my next one. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.